These pills carry hope for those who catch COVID. The drug manufacturer Merck says molnupiravir prevents the coronavirus from multiplying. Taken early, clinical trials show the pill reduces the risk of hospitalization or death by half, and it's easy to use.
They could go to their pharmacy and take their medication the way they do other medicines.
If the Food and Drug Administration approves Merck's request for emergency use, the pills could be available in the U.S. before the end of the year. The company plans similar emergency use applications worldwide. But financing and distributing this drug and other treatments, including vaccines, to underdeveloped parts of the world remains a challenge.
We need to get serious about that. This is a worldwide problem that needs worldwide solutions. So I think even if you say no one is safe if everyone is not safe, I mean, it's so true.
The U.S. has pre-purchased 1.7 million courses of the drug. To help get the drug to the rest of the world faster, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation is putting up $120 million to push makers of generic drugs to produce Merck's drug for developing countries. Money is at the heart of any COVID treatment. Dr. Caleb Hernandez is an emergency room doctor who also researches COVID drug discoveries. He says 3 other drug treatments have been studied, including one that rivals Merck's claims for molnupiravir. He says they lack the financial backing to seek FDA approval.
Our government isn't set up to spend the $500,000 to do these studies. We rely on private companies to bring things to the FDA. And that's why you're not going to see as much innovation as you could see.
And there is concern about relying on the Merck pill instead of getting a vaccine, which experts prefer since it teaches the body to make its own antibodies.
It can prevent you from getting COVID in the first place. And we want to prevent infections, not just wait to treat them once they happen.
Dr. Hernandez sings a tribute to a colleague who quit the profession, burned out from COVID.
We've been going for almost 2 years now, fighting every day and watching people die. And I think it's difficult when people in the community don't believe you. They think that you're part of some conspiracy or you're exaggerating or making things up. And then you go to work and you have to pronounce multiple people dead.
Nearly 5 million deaths worldwide and closing in on 740,000 American deaths from COVID, with an artist paying tribute with a white flag for each. Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.